Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha. Today we'll be preparing watermelon lassi. Let's start with the ingredients. I've taken 4 to 5 ice cubes, 1.5 tablespoon of sugar, half cup of curd, and 1 cup of watermelon. And I've removed the seeds of the watermelon and I've chopped that. If you want, you can blend that with the seeds and strain that later. Now to a jar, I've added curd. I'm adding watermelon and then we'll be adding sugar to it. I would recommend you all to use fresh curd or homemade curd for best taste. And I also added a few drops of vanilla essence here for some additional flavor. If you want, you can add that or you can skip that, it's optional. So we've added all the ingredients here. We'll blend that into a juice. Let's subscribe to our channel, hit the bell button on so that every time I post a new video you will be notified about it. So here it is. I've blended that really well, and I've also added a few chunks of watermelon so that I get some extra flavors. That looks so yummy. Do try at home. It's so refreshing and relaxing in summer. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned till my next video.